Morning everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. So another big up and big down yesterday. Lots of noise in the market from the Feds, and then some more supply chain worries as well, just compounded with what's going on in Russia. So I think it's fair to say that we have a fairly strong resistance above us, and that is at 109.362. Moving up, big engulfing bar. So yeah, I think we should be looking at this area at 108.684 to see if we can get a rejection off there. So yeah, yesterday was pretty much onto the moving averages. We had a crossover and we started moving up as expected. But we could argue that target was hit. It hit the top of the range. But at the moment, we're back in amongst all these moving averages with confusion. So watch this area here, 108.684. If we get some kind of price action off there, probably worth looking for the short. Personally, I think I'm just going to sit on the sides for today on this one. We could also just sort of look for a break of that area there. Break there and then pull back down to the bottom here. So we're just sort of hovering in the middle of the range and in amongst moving averages. Never a good sign for any decent trade. So for me, this is a clear sit on hands. US dollar Japanese yen, still nothing changed there. Does look like we have a bit of a triangle forming though, and triangle in a bull trend only means one thing: break to the upside, pull back to come and test, and then an opportunity to buy. So what we're looking for at the moment is some kind of a signal that we are going to be breaking through the structure. So I think London breakout strategy would probably be the way to go, and that basically means you need a break above this area. Is a flat top triangle as well. As you can see, there's a lot of structure here. So break and retest of 128.694 gives you another opportunity to buy into this. A stop is going to be below the triangle. Just worry a little bit about the oscillators here. So you could also get a break to the downside, but I think that will be capped by 127.082. So any move down to there is also another opportunity for a buy. So in other words, you need to just wait for a break below 128.088 or a break above 128.694. British pound, Japanese yen, same scenario here. Another triangle forming, but also engulfing bar. So it could be a double top. If it is a double top, then obviously you're looking for a break below 166.477, and the next bit of structure is down in this area here. Let's get that on the hour. So you can see pretty much a series of lower highs, and we could argue that we have a break forming at the moment. So trend is up. A bit reluctant to be chasing shorts. I'd rather be waiting for a decent setup for a move to the upside. So yeah, watch this bottom area here, 166.477. More than likely could hold up price, and then we just range and complete the range for the week. Otherwise, if we break below here, then you're looking at a move all the way down to 165.444. Nothing really else going on there. Euro British pound, yeah, completely against what we were expecting yesterday, but that's how it goes. And you can see we strong move to the upside, hit the 155 again, and then rejected it to the downside. So and we were looking for a break of this area here for a continuation to the downside to come and test these lows. But as I said yesterday, this is a massive area of weekly support, so anything is possible. So if we look at the hour, you can see sort of mucking around here. We were looking for the first 8 bars, and this is the 8th bar here, so it didn't really give you much because it already got moving, and then pull back all the way back down into what was a channel. So for me at the moment, this is kind of all over the place. I think you do have a gap here. Probably wise to be waiting for some kind of support here at 0.83128 for a continuation or a retest of that area. But with a big up, big down like that, that's just big confusion. So when you see big confusions, I like to sit on the sides, because it is also possible that we just reject pretty much one of these two areas here. So you can see that tail and that tail there come up. This is the one that probably makes most sense. 083357 for another rejection. On the hour we have a crossover, moving averages pointing up. On the 8 hour it is still in a bear trend. So 50-50 call as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, I think the Forex for me today is all over the place. So when it's all over the place, it's a good sign to just take an early weekend. Enjoy life a bit rather than worry about red and green candles. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Oh, sorry, we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend. Cheers for now.